Here's the package that it comes with. You got your wall flanges, flange covers, you got your rods, and then here's your corner pieces for those rods. Comes with installation instructions, some glue, and then here's the shower hooks. These come with some ball bearings to make moving your shower curtain a little bit easier. And then you have all your installation hardware as well. And your rods here do adjust depending on how big your shower is. Here's my screws using the wall anchors. I actually had some more heavy duty anchors there, so that's not the one that came with the package, but they do provide those. And then here is the glue, the adhesive that came with the package. I glued it to the tile and I taped it on, let it rest for 36 hours. It does recommend that you wait 36 hours for it to cure. And these do come with the flange covers that hides everything behind, gives it a nice clean look. You're just gonna tighten in the screw on the bottom there to secure it to the wall flange. Got it secured on both sides. And then here's the shower curtain hooks. These move pretty smooth. Now I wouldn't do pull-ups on this, but this is pretty sturdy enough for a lightweight shower curtain. Here's the finished product.